little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. One little duck went sliding on the mud. Splash went the puddle, oh what a thud. Another little duck found the shiny red ball. Oops, it rolled and made a funny fall. 3 little ducks dance around the tree, wiggle, wiggle, waddle so happily. 5 little ducks went out to play in the sunny park.